Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to install uBlock Origin Lite software in the Google Chrome. This software is only useful for the if you want to block the unwanted ads in browser. For this you need to open the Google Chrome and then here you need to type uBlock Origin Lite, press enter, and first one is there, Chrome Web Store.google.com. click this. Here you will get an option called add to Chrome. Click this, add uBlock Origin Lite, press this add extension. Here you can see adding to Chrome, like installing this uBlock Origin Lite to Google Chrome as extension. Wait for few seconds. uBlock Origin Lite has been added to Chrome. You can see here, this is the uBlock Origin Lite application. This application will block the unwanted ads. Now we will go to the rediff.com. In this website there will be a lot of ads will be there. Now you can see, if you click this, it is blocked to 22 ads in this particular website. Now you can see blocks 38 has increased, 51, 63, like this ads will be blocked. Okay, that's it. Thank you.